Give your subjects room to breathe, a place to look, and a space for you to engage with your audience. In this image, the subject is completely front and center. It mostly fills the frame, and it's in your face. It feels awkward, boxed in by the frame. It doesn't have room to breathe around it. There is nowhere for your eyes to relax. There's a background, but it's just barely hinted at, and so your mind is being tugged at wondering what the rest of that scene may look like. Now, when we take the same shot, but we take a step back to give the subject more room to breathe, your brain can relax a bit and take in the image with a better perspective. And that empty space around the subject can really change the dynamics of how the subject will fit into your story. I'll make another slight change to the image by rotating this moai slightly, and your eye is naturally drawn to look in the same direction as its gaze. This is often referred to as looking room. If the subject is looking into the frame, then our eyes are drawn into that open space. This is often more comfortable for us to see. If the subject is looking out of the frame, then you may be left with a bit of an uneasy feeling about that image, and that minor change could distract from the teaching and learning asset that you're creating. And with this in mind, you can use these concepts of breathing space and looking space to your advantage by placing other elements in your composition where the eye will be naturally drawn to by the image itself. If we look at an example of a slide using this first image, it feels like a piece of generic clip art pasted onto the page. It's not interesting, nor is it engaging to your viewer. But using an image that has breathing room leaves you with more options to integrate that image into your story, and it'll draw your viewer in further. Using an image where the subject is looking into that breathing room, and then placing your content so that the subject appears to be looking at your content. Now you have an image that is supporting your story and drawing your viewer's attention deeper into your content.